Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're discussing the best circular saws for woodworkers. Whether you're a professional carpenter or just starting out, having the right tool can make all the difference. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top circular saws on the market, and break down their key features to help you find the perfect one for your woodworking needs. So sit back, relax and join us as we take a closer look at the best circular saws for woodworkers. Number 1. DEWALT 7¼ corded circular saw with electric brake. The DEWALT DWE575SB is a compact and lightweight sidewinder circular saw, known for its ease of maneuverability. With a weight of only 8.8 pounds, it's suitable for overhead tasks without any strain. Despite its lightweight design, it has enough power to easily cut through dense hardwood. The anti-snag lower guard, equipped with ball bearings, allows for smooth movement while cutting lumber of varying thicknesses, without the risk of jamming. This guard remains functional even with dust generated during cuts. The tough cord protection system of this product provides 3 times the strength of a regular cord, protecting it from pullouts and damage. It is designed with 57 degrees beveling capacity so you will be able to cut an angle. It comes with 1-piece corded circular saw, 1-piece blade wrench, 1-piece circular saw blade, user instructions manual, and contractor bag. Others information about this product. Power source, corded. Voltage, 120 volts. Amperage, 15 amps. Speed, 5,200 RPM. Product dimensions, 16.25 inches length, 10.12 inches width, and 10.5 inches height. Pros. The corded circular saw features an integrated dust blower for clearing the line of sight during cutting, an electric brake that stops the blade instantly when the trigger is released. Lightweight design. Very effective for overhead tasks. Cons. Some people found, sometimes electric brakes do not work properly. Number 2. SKILSAW SPT77WML, 7¼ lightweight worm drive circular saw. The SKIL brand is known for producing some of the best circular saws, and this SKILSAW is no exception. This saw is designedly cut through tough lumber, similar to the DEWALT worm drive saw. The handles are rubberized for a comfortable grip, while the shoe plate and blade covers are made of magnesium, making the saw lightweight at only 11.6 pounds while still maintaining its power. The depth adjustment lever allows for precise cuts according to the material thickness. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a homeowner in need of a high-quality saw, this saw is a great option with its power, precision, and durability for heavy-duty use. The cut-ready depth of cut system ensures quick and accurate depth measurements, while the 15-amp power allows users to efficiently cut through larger pieces of lumber. The anti-snag lower guard allows for smooth operation, even when cutting small pieces. This 7¼ saw has a maximum cutting capacity of 2 3/8 inches at 90 degrees, with a bevel capacity of up to 53 degrees and positive stops at 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Others information about this product. Power source, corded. Voltage, 120 volts. Amperage, 15 amps. Product dimensions, 20.5 inches length, 7.75 inches width and 8.75 inches height. Pros. Lightweight for a worm drive circular saw. Sturdy construction. Suitable for demanding job site projects such as framing. High torque for efficient cutting. Simple to set up and operate. Cons. Short power cord included. Number 3. Makita 5477NB, 7¼ Hypoid saw. The Makita 7¼ Hypoid saw delivers exceptional performance and superior cuts. It features a powerful 15 amps motor combined with efficient Hypoid gears, which provide constant power and reduced maintenance. The saw offers a large cutting capacity and bevel options, as well as easy-to-use features like an oversized handle, spindle lock, and onboard blade wrench. It is ideal for a range of applications, including framing, siding, roofing, and flooring, making it a top choice for framers, builders, and contractors. The saw comes with a general contractor blade with advanced tooth design, heat vents, and a blade wrench for quick blade changes. Makita's commitment to innovative technology and engineering is evident in the design of this best-in-class Hypoid saw. It is featured with boasts a substantial cutting ability, reaching up to 2 3/8 inches at 90 degrees, 1 3/4 inches at 45 degrees, and 1 9/16 inches at 50 degrees. It also has a bevel range of 0 degrees to 51.5 degrees with convenient positive stops at 45 degrees and 51.5 degrees. Others information about this product. Power source, corded. Weight, 18 pounds when shipping. Voltage, 120 volts. Amperage, 15 amps. Speed, 4,500 RPM. Product dimensions, 21 inches length, 9 inches width, and 12 inches height. Pros. Equipped with a lengthy cord, perfect for job site use. Hypoid gearing provides increased torque. Ideal for working with dimensional lumber and engineered wood. Simple blade change with a push-button spindle lock. Rust-resistant base plate. High-quality construction, ensuring longevity and efficient completion of multiple projects. Cons. Sudden start, with a kick, potentially disrupting precision when not held steady enough. Number 4. Milwaukee 2732-20 Cordless Saw. The Milwaukee circular saw is a powerful and versatile tool, equipped with all the features you need for both workshop and job site use. Its cordless design gives you the freedom to work anywhere. The 24-tooth, 7 1/4 inch blade and 5,800 RPM speed make it easy to cut through even hard boards. With a 15 amps brushless motor and Milwaukee's patented M18 fuel-red lithium high-output HD 12.0 batteries, this saw delivers the power, performance, and runtime you need to tackle tough jobs. The magnesium blade guard and baseplate are durable and lightweight, and the built-in rafter hook makes storage a breeze. The electric brake provides added safety and protection when making cuts. This saw is ideal for construction workers and woodworkers who work with hard boards and lumber daily, but it's a bit expensive for casual users looking for a budget-friendly option. Others information about this product. Power source, battery power. Battery voltage, 18 volts. Amperage, 15 amps. Speed, 5,800 RPM. Product dimensions, 15 inches length, 9 inches width, and 9 inches height. Weight, 10 pounds. Pros. Additionally, the LED light improves accuracy and visibility. The electric brake stops the blade immediately after the trigger is released. Cons. Battery has to be purchased separately.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found the video helpful, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon and give your opinion in comment section. If you want to buy this products, link is given in video description box. Thanks again.